How to make money with Zazzle. Hey everyone, I'm Erica. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money with Zazzle affiliate program for free as soon as possible. So let's get started. First off, you want to go to Google and type in Zazzle affiliate program. Now right after the ads, you're going to come up with this result and you want to click on that. It's going to take you to this page where it gives you all the information about the affiliate program. For starters, you get paid 15% per sale. The cookies is 45 days and your minimum payout is $50, which I think is great. And you also get paid by check or PayPal. Now that's a little bit about the associates program. All you got to do is go ahead and sign up for an account. Sign up for simple sellers or an affiliate account. It's really simple. Once you sign up for an account, you want to go to your account, scroll down and locate where it says My Account and click on that. Next, you want to click on Associates. It's going to take you to this page. This is where your affiliate ID is. Now where I've highlighted, you have the question mark RF equals your affiliate ID. You just want to go ahead and copy that. There is another method, but you can copy this and keep it on a notepad or write it down because you're going to be using it a lot to add products onto Pinterest. Now, the next thing you want to do is go to Pinterest. If you already have an account with Pinterest, that's fine. You can start right away. But if you don't, you need to go ahead and create one and create a business account. Now, we're going to be working with mobile phone cases. Now, why did I choose this particular category? Is because I make a lot of sales on Amazon with Amazon and Pinterest selling laptop and mobile phone cases. I know that people buy them. I know that for a fact. So that's why I think that if you go ahead and start selling, you are going to make some sales. Now, when you are on Pinterest, you want to go ahead and type in your keywords. Pinterest is a search engine. People come in here and they search for things that they want to buy or they want to curate or they want to get ideas about. So you as an affiliate marketer or a content creator, you want to go ahead and use this search bar up here to find keywords that you can target. Once you type in your seed keywords, they're going to give you different keywords that people are also searching for along with your seed keywords. Now the first 5 or 6 keywords on here are the most popular. So what you want to do is just select any of the 5 keywords up here and you want to use that with your seed keyword to add products onto Pinterest. So we're going to select marble for this example and we're going to go back to Zazzle. So why Zazzle is awesome with Pinterest is because that whatever you pin from Zazzle onto Pinterest, automatically becomes a rich pin. So your chances of appearing in the search results is really, really high. Now, I'm on Zazzle and I typed in marble iPhone 8 Plus case and this is what I came up with. So let's go with, I'm going to go with this one because, it's the edit. It looks nice anyway. So let's go ahead and click on that. And you have 2 options. Like we said before, you could, save the image to your computer and upload it to Pinterest using your affiliate link. Or you could just click this little link it button at the bottom and copy the first link. Once you've done that, you just want to click on the save button. Now you should have a board for whatever products that you want to pin and your product should be relevant to your board. So let's go ahead and click on save. Now, a lot of times, they pull in the keywords, but we don't want all of these different keywords. We want exact match keywords. Marble, rose gold. You want to remove some of that because you want the iPhone 8 case to be directly, at the beginning. Now you want to find a board so let me just go with phone cases. Okay, I already have a board for phone cases. Nope. So I have this one for phone cases. Now, a lot of times what happens is that the images, they're pinned to Pinterest and they're very little, but this one worked out fine. Now, if you pin images and they, show up and they're really small, all you got to do is go back, save the image to your computer, and re-upload it to Pinterest. Now, as you can see, this is automatically a rich pin. Now, what you want to do, you want to make sure that you add your affiliate link. So let's go ahead and click the pen icon, and you want to change the link that was pulled in from Zazzle. So let's go ahead and paste that in. You want to go ahead and save it and just refresh that, and it should come back up as a rich pin. Okay, there you go. Even after I added my affiliate link, the pin returned as a rich pin. So this is how you can start making money with Zazzle as soon as possible. You find a niche or a category, create a Pinterest account around that niche or category. I have a lot of tutorials on how you can create your Pinterest account. Sign up for the Zazzle affiliate program, and you can go ahead and start, adding products to your Pinterest account. They're gonna automatically become rich pins, and you're gonna rank in the Pinterest search engine. So I hope this video helped, and if you have some video requests, please leave them below, and I'm gonna do my best to create them for you guys. And stay awesome. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my content. Thank you guys so much for watching.